Okay, it's time to replace the blue cartridge here in my Canon printer. I can see that it's empty. That's the previous cartridge. This new cartridge with INKFUN has a massive sticker, so you can't actually tell if the cartridge is empty or not. I don't think I like that. Let's see if we can get them in. Okay, went in just fine. Let's go ahead and take out the others. Once again, I can see on this red one that it's pretty much empty. Same thing with this yellow one. My new cartridges, can't see it, don't know. Okay. Black. Okay, they went in good. The first time I actually tried this, I really struggled with the blue one and the yellow one, and I had to keep adjusting it, but it did go in. So I made it the second time to do it for the video easier, and everything looks like it's going to be fine.